channel. My name is Fabiola. For those of you that don't know me, I love to create lifestyle, fashion, and beauty videos, and I would love it if you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done already. So today I wanted to share with you guys kind of like a little mini room tour. I'll share with you guys, my favorite items, what I use to store my products, my makeup, and all that fun stuff. So I will be leaving you guys all the links to these products that I will mention in the video in my blog, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned in this video. Everything will be listed there, and I'll leave that link down in the description bar below the video. But other than that, I think that is it. Let's go ahead and stop with all that rambling and get ready with the video. So here's an overview of my bedroom. As you can see, it's really not big. It's pretty small, but I organized it in a way that it makes it look a little bit bigger than it actually is. And before I had this room set up, I had the bed in a totally different spot, and I literally had no room. So now I feel like I have more space, even though it is a smaller bedroom. So I'm going to start off with this clothing rack right here. I actually got this a couple months ago and I absolutely love it. I don't know how I did it without this way before I got it, but it's really nice because you can fit a lot of clothing on the rack. It also has little hooks that you can put your favorite purse, or you can put belts and stuff like that. And then on the bottom it does have 2 racks to put shoes. So next to the clothing rack I do have this little shelf right here, and this is where I normally put my purses. I got this not too long ago. I'm not too sure if I really like it. I wish it was a little bit bigger, but it is definitely very helpful. So over on the side I do have this little table that I recently got as well. I got this maybe 2 or 3 months ago and I love it. This is just where I like to keep my favorite books, and I usually put my purse there so that way I know which one I'm using for the day or for the week. And then I have my bed, and I wanted to actually show this pillowcase to you guys. This pillowcase is my favorite. I actually found this online, and it's that light pink silk pillowcase, and it's supposed to help with reducing wrinkles when you're sleeping. It also helps to minimize the breakage in your hair. And oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this pillowcase, you guys. So I got that. And then my comforter that I have here, it's from Kate Spade. I will leave you guys the links to this comforter, but this is actually the second comforter that I get from Kate Spade. So over to the side I also have these little drawers, and these are so helpful. You can use it as a little night table on the side, and then you can also use to store a bunch of stuff in there, and that's normally where I keep all my extra PR packages. I also put a couple more books in there, but I love it. And I do have this little lamp that I got as well. It works perfect for reading at nighttime. So I also have this tall mirror, which I really love, and I use it all the time. It's great because you can see your whole outfit, and it's really nice. It doesn't take too much space. It's in the color silver. I believe they also had it in the color gold. I'll leave you guys a link to that one as well, but I absolutely love it. And then I also got this little rug right here, and really like it because it's great when you get out of bed. It's just so soft. And here is Lulu. She's laying down in her little bed. Hi Lulu, are you napping? So I always keep her little bed in my bedroom. She does have other beds throughout the house, but I keep that one there because she does like to nap everywhere. So let me show you guys my vanity, and then I will also show you how I keep my things organized. So on this side right here I have this lipstick tower. I've had this literally for about 3 years, and it's held up pretty well. I got it in the color white, and it does have these little rhinestones in here, which makes it look really nice. They also have it without the rhinestones, and they have it in multiple colors, but this has been one of the best purchases that I've made in my life. And I like it because you can see all the lipstick names. And ever since I got this, I don't lose my lipsticks. So I keep like my favorite ones in here. This is definitely a great thing to have. I would highly recommend it. Another great alternative if you don't want to get like a lipstick tower like this one, or if you don't have that many lipsticks, you can definitely get something smaller like this one. This one here fits 9 lipsticks. And I think this was like one of my very first lipstick organizers that I ever got. It is acrylic. It's great because it's like in shape of a little ladder, so the higher ones are always on the top. It looks really pretty. And then over here I have this like little box, and I do have my Google Home. This one here is my second favorite beside the lipstick tower. It's great and it's very compact. If you don't have too much space in your vanity, one of these will be perfect. So here I have this really cute canvas print. It has like little lashes all over it. I'll try to find the link to this one as well. So down here is my favorite acrylic organizer. I've had this for maybe 5 years and it's held up pretty well. It is clear and you can see everything in here. So when I first started with makeup, this was my very first makeup organizer. I used to put my eyeshadows there, foundation, like everything, like all my makeup was literally in this box and it fit perfectly. And of course throughout the years I ended up getting more makeup and more products. So then I moved all my makeup and all my stuff to this IKEA 9-drawer system, which I will show you in a minute. But now this is where I keep all my lipsticks, my mascaras, and my brow items. And I love it because you can see literally everything in there. So nothing is going to get lost. You're going to be able to find everything. This is the E-Diva, and I believe it's the small size. They also have like the big size, which is fantastic. So if you really don't have that much makeup, or you don't want to get like an IKEA 9-drawer system, if you get one of these, this will definitely do it. Like I said, this was my first one and I had this for maybe 2 years before I moved all my makeup to this IKEA drawer. Sorry guys if I sound out of breath lately. I just been so out of breath lately. I don't know why. So in here is where I keep all my eyeshadow palettes. I have so many, and then I have like more in the back. The back ones are the ones that I don't use as much, but I do rotate them so that way they can all get used. So I want to show you a great way to organize things in your vanity or your desk. These little plastic containers are great. These here are so inexpensive. They are stackable. You can also put them like side by side, and they are absolutely wonderful. I just got like a bunch of them and kind of just went through my makeup and sorted everything out. This is also another alternative. This one here was more affordable than this one because it's not completely clear. It's like in this kind of like an off-white color, but they're also great. They're also stackable, and they have these things on the side that you can just kind of plug in together and then make it bigger. So here's a different tray similar to the one I showed you, but this one here is divided in 3, and these are wonderful because you can divide your bronzers, your highlighters, and your blushes. And they're great because they keep all the products from getting mixed up, and they just stand very nice on their own. As you can see here, I have 3 of those, and I usually use them to divide my highlighters, which are all here. And then I do have this little one, which is really cute, and this is where I keep like my trial size blushes, because you know those are so tiny and those are very hard to stand up, but they do have these like tiny little acrylic ones. I'll also leave you guys the links to that as well. And then here I have like my blushes, and I have a couple more highlighters, and all these are like my bronzers on that side. But they're definitely great for keeping everything nice and organized. So something I would really recommend to store your brushes is getting a cup holder like this one or something similar. This one here says Flawless, and it has these little lashes. I love things that have like lashes on them, like that little canvas print right there. So over here I have another lipstick holder. This one here doesn't fit that much, but this is great if you want to just display your favorite ones. And then over here on the side I have my favorite mirror. This one is the High Mirror Mini, and it's great. If you guys haven't seen this, I'm gonna leave you the link to the review video, but I can't live without this. It's amazing. It's a smart mirror. You can watch tutorials as you're doing your makeup at the same time. You can also like analyze your skin, and it also helps with like weight, because you can buy like a separate thing. It's a kind of like a scale, and you put it on the floor and it kind of connects wirelessly, and it tells you like your body weight, your BMI, and all that awesome stuff. So highly recommend this. So if you're struggling to find a place to keep your nail polishes organized, this here is like the best thing invented. It is amazing. It fits a lot of nail polishes, and it even has like this smaller compartment to put nail polish remover, nail files, and tools. And it is double-sided. It fits so much, and it's absolutely fantastic. It just makes like everything look so nice and organized. You can see all your polishes in one spot. You can even use this to like put different kinds of like arts and crafts things. I've seen a lot of people use this instead of having like nail polishes. But if you close it, you can turn it around, and then it has like more nail polishes. So it is fantastic, and I will leave you the link to this one because I think this is like definitely a must, especially if you love nail polishes. This box right here is great. It was very inexpensive also. It's huge. You can even use this to store like all your makeup products if you don't want something small like that one there. But this one here is great, and it is actually two, so it's one on top of the other one. It does have these like little rubber feet to prevent it from slipping. So I love jewelry, and I love to collect different kinds of jewelry pieces, and I had everything in this jewelry organizer here, but I just had way too much. And not only that, but I feel like everything was just getting misplaced, and it wasn't really organized the way that I wanted it to be. So then I got this amazing mirror that hangs behind your door. Isn't that just awesome? So it kind of conceals everything. It works as a jewelry armoire. It also has like a little lock, but you can also use it as a mirror. So it is wonderful. But this is a great alternative to organizing your jewelry. I would highly, highly recommend that. And I actually did a video showing you how I have everything organized inside. I'll leave you that video in the description bar below in case you are interested. I also have a desk in my bedroom, and I think that having a desk in my bedroom is really a must because I like to work in a quiet place, and this is normally where I tend to like edit my videos and do all my computer work. So having a desk in here is so helpful. This desk right here is called the Mickey dress from IKEA. I'll leave you the link to that one, but really love it. It has like a little drawer to keep all your things nice and organized. I also wanted to show you my new computer case that I recently got. It also came with this like keyboard protector, but isn't that just adorable? I am like in love with it. I think it's so, so pretty. And I also have this like little thing that says dream. This was actually blue, and I painted it pink to match my bedroom. And then over here I have another of the smart mirror, the high mirror, but this one here is the big size. This one here I don't use as frequently because I am just so used to using the mini one, but it's also a great alternative if you just want a big one. And then this one here can be hung on the wall, on the door, in the bathroom, or you can even buy a stand for it. It is so helpful, and it has the same features as the other one. It's just a little bit bigger. So before I end the video, I also wanted to show you this organizer that I recently got, and I haven't used it yet, so I am so excited to use it. It's a set of 3. And it's for like small drawers to put your undies, your bras, lingerie, even socks. So I am so excited to use this. Just wanted to show it to you because I think this is like wonderful.
So that was it for my bedroom tour and organization tips and tricks. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in any of the products that I did mention in this video, make sure to check out my blog at fabiolagbeauty.com. I will also leave you guys all the links to the products down in the description bar below. As always, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
So that was it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it inspirational. Maybe you found something that you like and would like to incorporate into your bedroom or your dorm room. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about the products that I mentioned, or what you guys keep in your room that makes everything more organized. I would absolutely love to hear your comments, your thoughts, and maybe something that I need myself. So I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up.